Okay, now it's going.
Loves.
Love it. Well, the left side is blinking.
Yep. Because it's all digital. That one would be too.
I think I'm tripping. I don't know.
No, it's like that. We've been over this before.
That one's not blinking.
No. Well,
Solid.
the camera must be able to pick up its vibes.
I guess so. They need a technology where if you film it up and down, you can switch it to sideways. It's like 2024.
Yeah.
Does that exist? Leave it in the comments below.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, a pontoon.
They moved the dog park. It was right there.
I remember.
Now it's over here.
The times they are changing.
They got propane.
They do. $3.99 a gallon. I don't know if that's bad or good.
I mean, it's probably good if we're out here at the lake and we need propane and we don't want to drive all the way somewhere else.
You got that right.
There's a dog park.
Dingo says, "Where's the dog park?" You went to dog park.
So,
Oh.
okay. Well, there, they got propane.
This is the
there.
best gas station in the world.
Yeah.
Oh, the train. Oh, damn.
And the train on this side.
So much activity. And we're on a bridge. There goes the end of the train. And there's the interstate. She's covered up. That's a big hole. Here we go. We're on our way. So, where are we going today? Just to Moss Creek?
I guess so.
Are you gonna try to go like to the dollar store and get
Yes.
lake shoes?
Yeah, and even if they don't have lake shoes, they're going to get some cheap flip-flops or something.
So, yeah, some socks or something.
Socks.
I can't believe we forgot our lake shoes. Forgot our lake shoes. Whoa.
She looks all meditative. Lake City. This is Lake City.
Oh shit, I missed it.
The Pelican Restaurant.
The Pelican Restaurant. I think it's closed. I used to eat there though when I was little.
That's not the Dollar General. I thought it was.
Ha! Look at this hole.
It's a big quarry.
It is a big
What are they
quarry.
getting from there? Rocks.
Probably limestone. You can't really see it on the camera. How he's going. He's on his way. And right up there, that bridge is Barkley Dam.
Yeah.
2 dams side by side. Fisherman's friend bait and tackle. Well, that's cool.
There's the bridge.
Yeah, you can barely see it.
Good grief. Here we go. You can just park right there. It's not exactly a parking spot, but it'll work.
Park right here. I'm gonna sit with the dogs anyway.
Alright,
I can get this sick view.
It's pretty sick.
Yeah. At the Dollar General.
Damn. The napkin tickled my leg and it made me
Damn, it took my Lego. There goes Donnie. We're on our way again. Oh. Oh yeah. There we go. Look at this little road, huh?
See? Oh,
What?
nothing. Is this where we go over the canal thingy or not? It's after Grand Rivers.
After Grand Rivers. Grand Rivers is right up here. Surely something will happen funny.
Probably.
I bet. We're going through Grand Rivers.
After all.
After all.
Tennessee license plates in front of us. People come here from all around. Here's a boat.
No, I mean, you gotta stay here with me. She's trying to drive. Louie wants in your lap.
I know.
Louie. Oh, here it is. Oh, I don't know if I actually got it because I tried to zoom in.
So
I don't know.
welcome to our village between the lakes.
Village between the legs. Whoop whoop. You.
There's Lighthouse Landing.
Beautiful. That was Grand Rivers though, right?
Yeah, that was Grand Rivers.
Right.
It's at the top of the peninsula.
The top of the peninsula, bro. Oh. About to go over the canal. And now we're up in
Land between the lakes.
land between the lakes. National.
Recreation.
Yes, it is national. I knew it.
National recreational area. Road.
Made it.
And then we'll be there. Pretty much. Right?
No,
Yeah.
still 2 more miles.
No.
Hey, there's the water.
Yeah.
And
That's where that one person parked. That's where we go. That's where we should park.
But how do you even get down in there?
They walk through the woods though and get ticks and bugs all over.
I don't know.
You know, maybe we shouldn't go.
I don't even have bug spray.
No. We need
It is.
pants.
This is tick country.
Look.
Wow.
It's almost started.
Wow. Oh, shit.
Should I park there?
Yeah, I guess so.
Or what?
Yeah.
I don't want to get stuck. I'm trying. Like this?
Damn.
Usually
Look at that
last-
poison ivy.
We're usually the last ones to leave anyway.
That's a lot of fucking poison
Are we going to be in it? Should I park elsewhere?
ivy. No. Well, maybe no, this is fine. Let me see. Let me look. Oh yeah, there's no poison ivy down there.
Alright.
This is good. We made it, bro.
Alright, you don't think I'll get trapped in here? Nobody's going to park right behind me.
No. Dingo. Dingo gonna swim? She gotta. Dingo, sit down.
Okay, here.
Okay. Swell coming in.
Yeah, it is. Dang. We got to get out there. Look at that swell.
It looks like it's just staying in the same place.
Yeah. Strange current today. Ooh, I need an ice cream cone.
Dingo. Made it! Finally. Finally. Dingo's like, finally. We're enjoying the beautiful shade that this sweet gum has to offer. I had to look for a second. Wow. There's people out there in that water.
Sure is a lot less now than there was.
Oh man, this, yeah. Yeah, it's already started to like, yeah, nature is ours again. Yeah, nature's ours again. Ours.
Nature is ours again.
I had to wait all summer for you little buttholes to go out back to school. Back to work. She's sniffing us too.
So cute how they were sniffing to the end of it like that. Dingo.
Oh shoot. Oh.
Look.
Yeah, I know. She's licking your leg. This is it for me. A coastline somewhere? I'll be set, boy.
Yeah.
Coastline to paint away.
Yeah. Pretty too.
Pretty too. Probably not, but
They kicked everybody out that lived out here.
I live pretty close. We live pretty close already. I'm just saying. No, I'm like talking about over there or Calvert City or something. So where I can just like be here in like 10 minutes instead of 30.
When I looked, there wasn't even no houses for sale in Grand Rivers.
Yeah, Grand Rivers, it's elite.
Like, you probably got to have a real estate agent on call for if somebody decides to move out of their house there.
Yeah, we decided we're gonna leave Grand Rivers and move.
You should be eating my weed.
Dingo. 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 What you smell? Hey, Dingo. Dingo.
What?
Hey. Oh, I got a rock in my shoe. Come on. Wow. Well, this is beautiful. And the fish start jumping. Ha! This way. Oh my God. It's a giant dead turtle. No, Dingo. Oh, no, Dingo. All the fish are jumping. And the moon is out. Oh, there's a big old dead fish. Caulk. Can you sew caulk on YouTube? Huh. Wow. Now, Dingo, we gotta go this way. Aw, Ewie.
Right by the water.
Ewie's having herself a sunset walk on the water.
Yeah, she's staying right to it. Until she got up here with you guys. Right by the water.
Like right at the edge. Oh, Dingo's gonna pee on something? Aw, that's a cute little dingo pee.
She's right by the water. So cute.
Does it look like I have a lot of gear?
Huh?
Does it look like I got a lot of gear on?
Yeah,
I feel geared up. I feel geared up.
you are pretty geared up. Does it look like I got a lot of gear?
Yeah, you're geared up too. Looks like we're like, look at the reflection of the moon on the water. That's pretty.
Yeah, it's like sparkly.
I feel geared up.
Yeah,
I feel like I'm on an expedition.
yeah. That's how I always feel on this trek to and from there.
Yeah. Let's go, Dingo. I got rocks in my shoes. Nuh-uh, this way, Dingo. Come on. Good girl. Well, we're the last ones here as usual. We made it. That's what I just said. Yeah, I swear. We'll play that tape back. Okay. 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 See, now we need a tripod.
Yeah.
Yeah. Funny. You're filming? Okay. Is your car unlocked?
No.
Remove your wet ass shoes. Come here, Dingo. Uh-oh. Now, I gotta get these out wherever we put them.
Yeah, just put them right there.
Here?
Uh-huh. We'll remember them. Oh, hold on. Before you do that, I gotta get something out of here. Ouch. Here.
Boom. Oh, Dingo. Hold on.
You can just set those two things on the side. Give me that pink bag back.
No,
Yeah.
it's already up.
No, I need that pink bag and the silver bag.
And his bag?
The little silver bag. No.
I don't have a silver bag.
Well, it's down there somewhere.
Okay, we'll get to it.
We gotta find it.
I'll put these in the front. That? Yeah.
Yeah. Put that in my seat.
Oh, that'd been crazy to leave.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna leave it. I promise.
Lily's probably fine.
Yeah, she's fine.
Like a glove. Skateboards, bro. Skateboards. Oh.
Thanks a lot.
I didn't mean to.
Uh-huh.
Don't stifle my creativity. You know what I'm saying? I'm just joking. All you do is inspire me to be great. You're the love of my life. Come on, man. I just want you to know. Are we putting Dingo in the car or are we taking her with us?
I don't know.
To the edge of the water to look real quick.
We can take her, I guess.
Okay.
And you want to put her in the car?
No, that's fine.
Here, I'll hold her.
You'll hold her?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take this.
Yeah. I mean, I guess I could get Ewie.
No, I think she's happy in the car, really. What is this, like, fortress looking thing over here? Is it just dead trees? She's banging on the... Oh. It's just falling down trees.
It sounds like fireworks.
This is a good spot. Great view. Why does it go? Hold on. There.
Wow, the moon reflection.
Yeah.
Do you hear them? I hear them.
Yeah, I think they're like up this way.
Should I turn right?
Yeah.
Shout out Cassie.
There's fireworks somewhere. There should be somewhere over this way.
That was like a deer or something. No, should I turn there? Or keep going? Probably not there. I can almost still hear them. Can't really tell. They're right there. Look,
Where?
right in front of us here. Can I turn around? Stop, private road. Dang.
You can like move around. Let's turn around.
Can I turn around right here?
Yeah. That thing's quaint. Stop right there. Oops. No. No, we still can't see him. Yeah. They're probably down in there in this road.
We can see them from that other piece of grass. It's
Yeah.
probably the grand
Probably. It sounds like the Grand Finale.
Shoot, what a dumb thing. Can you see it through that way?
Well, we were trying, you know.
Yeah, here.
I think it's over.
There.
Oh, no, it's not over. It's like this bridge or something we were able to see them. It's over. People are honking their horns and stuff now. Oh well.
How dumb.
Man.
We should have just, I don't know how we could have tried any harder. Said we're staying right there on that bridge, but I had somebody behind me anyway.
Yeah. Oh well, we tried.
Yeah. What the heck? That thing has been going on since we were at Moss Creek.
I know. That's like the world's longest fireworks show for real.
And we literally got to the thing in the grand finale. Dang. Oh,
Well,
do they do that every August the 9th? I wonder why they were doing
like,
that.
what is this? What day?
I don't know.
What holiday is this?
Nothing. I don't know. I think it is.
You drive through Grand Rivers and then go out to like the Patties.
Shout out Cat Pizza.
Shout out Cat and Pizza.
It was probably right over here.
There's like mayflies all over your windshield. Some
Yeah.
mayfly coating. I like this town. That hotel. I hear live music. State law, man, I swear to God.
Oh, look at here. They got this closed off.
Oh, shoot. What's
What am I
happening?
gonna do?
I guess I gotta turn around. Alright. Oh, you can't even. Yeah, I guess you have to turn around. Is there some kind of thing?
There must be a thing right
Turn
here.
around right here. Is there a thing?
Must be.
Of course. Oh, there's a band. Yeah. All right.
All right. I know that song.
Yeah. There's a whole bunch of people.
Yeah.
We'll have to go this way. All right, well. We tried so hard,
And got so far.
but in the end, we
It didn't even matter.
yeah, we didn't see the fireworks.
Can I go that way? This way?
Yeah, down this way. Because there's Kevin Pizza. Shout out Kevin Pizza.
Shout out Cat Pizza. The dogs are conked out.
Yeah, they're down for it. On the road again.
Road again.
Huh.
There we were.
We were just down there. Can you believe it?